Hey girls, how are you? Hi, this is Shweta here, and welcome to Indian Dazzling Divas. Yay! Well, I'm one of the co-creators of this vlog, and this is our first unboxing video. What we have done is basically Indian Dazzling Divas is a blog uh, from Indian girls, by the Indian girls, and for the Indian girls, and it is to actually make you realize that dazzling diva you are. Okay, so leaving aside all the introduction and everything stuff, okay, everything will be done in proper time and place. Anyways, what we're going to do is, this is the first unboxing video, and what we had done is, like, around 2 days back, me and my sister had ordered some products from Nykaa.com, which is a very popular site. I guess all the makeup lovers around here know this website. It is a popular online shopping website just for makeup, so makeup and personal care things and everything. We have basically, the thing was that we have during all these times we have ordered a lot of stuff from safe sites like Flipkart or Amazon or something, but then we just thought we should try out Nykaa because they have really good offers on the hand. And I think when we logged on to Nykaa, the first thing we saw was, oh my god, like, there's a fabulous discount going on for Maybelline stuff. And you know what, personally, I am a big Maybelline buff. Maybelline stands out in any other brand because right now, because it's affordable. Firstly, it's really light on the pocket. We are all students, so after all, we cannot buy, like, really splurge on makeup. And I don't expect myself to buy like a 2000 rupees lip gloss or something like that. But then Maybelline gives us all the branded stuff. You have a good brand ambassador. I mean, everything about the brand ambassadors and stuff. They have a great marketing technique. They're light on the pocket. They're branded stuff, and you know what, they have fabulous range of colors. I mean, any Maybelline product, you go around and you can have a wide range of choice, and I think that's a very important criteria for any makeup. So basically, going on aside, what we had done is we had ordered 4 Maybelline products because they were on really good discounts. I mean, I don't know, I would have not got them on offline at any place. I mean, most of the shops do not give much of discounts nowadays, but good for the websites. I mean, I got a heavy discount. So what we have ordered was, we had ordered 4 things. There were 2 nail paints from the Maybelline Color Show range. Oh my god, I'm like, love that range. I love you, Maybelline, for that fabulous nail paint range. I mean, you saved our souls. Seriously, you saved it. Anyways, leaving aside, we had also ordered 2 more things, which were basically for my sister, not for me. One was the Colossal Kajal. You might be knowing that Colossal Kajal is already on sale. From the company side, it's on 149. They started with the 149 range and increased the price to 175. And then again, there's a sale going on which provides you at the same rate as previously. So but the thing was, I got it even less than 149 rupees. I'll just be reviewing that in an afterward when I get that thing. The point was that, and one more thing was that we had ordered was a Color Essential Pink Alert, which is the new range of lipsticks from Maybelline, and that was also for my sister. So we'll be reviewing it later on. What Nykaa.com did was, they dispatched 2 different parcels. One had only the nail paints and other one had those things, and I just tracked them today, and we got the parcel just today, very late evening. And you can see this is a very small parcel. We just had 2 nail paints, so I don't think we had they had to send us a very big parcel or something. You know what, this parcel is really simple. We are yet to receive the other parcel, so I'll be making up a video again next time. So this, you can see, is the box. It's a very small box. I'm not impressed with the boxing. I mean, the packaging is very simple, nothing much to do. You hard to come to know it's a Nykaa product. Apart from the tape you see, it's a Nykaa tape. I mean, you can recognize the logo and everything, but apart from that, I don't see much of a thing. I don't understand whether it's from where. But anyways, luckily we got it in the late evening. We were going out and we saw the courier guy downstairs, and we were like, oh yay, we got the first parcel. We have a lot of parcels to go. This week, just 2 days back, we ordered a hell lot of cosmetics, and yeah, I'm going to get a good amount of unboxing videos now. Anyways, so this was the package, and I'm going to open it right now. As you can see, the packaging is really simple and basic, nothing, and we have our product inside. You can see the 2 color shows and the bill kept inside it. See, this is the bubble. It's been wrapped in a bubble paper. Nothing much to do. I mean, this is a very simple bubble. I'm not impressed. Like, I wish I've done much more. Anyway. Yippee! We got the 2 nail paints. Yeah. Okay, you know what, every time I see a Color Show range nail paint, I really get excited because I just love their packaging. So here are the 2 ranges of colors. The first one is pretty white, you know, and it's called Porcelain Party. It's a 102 shade. I don't know whether you can see it properly or not. Anyways, it's 102 shade, and basically it's just pure white. I mean, no shimmer, nothing. It's a good white color, and to honestly tell you, you know, we have been really searching for a color which is actually white, because most of the, you know, the previously, you know, before the range came in the market, most of the nail paints are really costly, and we thought, you know, we used to mostly buy very localist products, you know, less pocket money and stuff. Anyways, thing was that it was something we could not find. Real good white, it was very difficult to find out. Yeah. So what I was saying was, this white is a really pretty white. And you know, looking at the pigmentation, you can see it's pretty good up pigmentation. It's not a very translucent color, not a very transparent color. I like this color, but this was basically for my sister, so I'm not going to use it for anyways. So this one was Porcelain Party, and we would put up a review soon, and just stay tuned for this review. You know, if you want, you're interested in the color or you want to know about it, we'll be putting every single detail on the site, so just look forward to it. That's it. And now for the second color, this was what I had chosen. This is called Tangerine Treat, and it's a 406 number. Okay, so basically, honestly telling, I found this color a really interesting one, because you know, I'm not one of those people who wears a lot of bright colorful colors like yellow or blue or green and all those things. I like to stick to very simple and normal, and maybe you can say dull colors. I like reds, pinks, nudes and browns, and nothing much more. I mean, black's maybe okay, fine, black is fine, but I don't like to put a lot of really colorful colors. So, but that time I was really interested with this color. It's an orange color, but not exactly an orange. It's almost like a mixture of orange and white. And looking at the pigmentation, it's a nice pigmentation. I would like to try the color. It's a fun, playful color. I'd really like to try it on really quickly. So we'll putting up a review again very soon, so you have to stay tuned to the site. Basically, we have just started the website, so obviously it's going to take a time to you know, upload a lot of stuff and put up all the reviews and all the interesting stuff online. So you have to maybe, you know, wait for some time and just be patient with it. But I'll really promise that we're going to put a lot of fabulous things on the site, and I hope you enjoy our reviews and our videos, and stay tuned to everything on Indian Dazzling Divas, because we started the site with this objective, that we want to tell you how to bring out that dazzling diva outside with simple things. You know, you don't need a lot of splurging, girls. You are beautiful girls. All of you are pretty, you're wonderful, you're beautiful in your own way. So I don't think you need to splurge like thousands of bucks on cosmetics and like really, you know, you're not actresses. Come on, you cannot be like that. So what we are trying to do is, we are trying to put up a lot of affordable price things, reviews which can help you up. We are going to put up tips, we are going to put up makeup tips which can help you look really pretty in some time, you know, all those things. So you should really stay, you know, tuned to it. So basically this was the first unboxing video where we reviewed like 2 colors, 2 nail color show ranges, Maybelline color show ranges. One was Porcelain Party and the second was Tangerine Treat, and I hope you liked it, and the next review would be out soon. So stay tuned, girls. Ciao.